So in this video, we're going to have a look at setting up new text fonts, text colors, and text sizes for the content of your website. To make a start, let's move to the website theme section of your admin account. Now you can see here, I'm currently using the Phoenix theme for my site. The only difference you'll see, we're going to focus on the theme settings section. If you're using Geneva, the difference you'll see here is that rather than controlling the individual font colors, you'll be controlling your font color using the color palette provided at the top of the screen. So focusing here on theme settings, you can see I can control the website header or title. I can control the body area of the page. So this is the web page heading, the page text, and the behavior of any links on that page. And then there's also a navigation section. So to start, let's have a look at what my live site looks like at the moment. I'm going to move up to the top right and hit View Site, and this will launch my website in a second browser tab. So you can see here, here's my website title or heading. Further down the page, on my home page, is the page title or heading and the page text in the body area. I don't have any links here at the moment, but that's fine. Over here to the left is my navigation section. So let's go back to the admin interface and see what we can do here. I am going to quickly change from Helvetica to a really obvious cursive script, and I'm going to choose Lobster just because I love the fact that there's a font type named Lobster. And you can see as I make that update, this preview text will update to show me exactly what that script looks like. I'm going to change this text also from Helvetica to Lobster, and I can see that what that's going to look like on the site. And I'm also going to change the color of my text. I can use this color picker to change to a dark blue from that default gray, and I'm going to choose that dark blue there. If you know the hexadecimal code of the exact color that you're after, you can simply type that in to this field here, and that will pick up that hexadecimal value and load the color for you. Great, so down the bottom, I'm not going to change the navigation for the moment, but down the very bottom of this page to the right, I'm going to save. Now note that anytime you make a change in your admin interface, to see that change reflected on your live website, you need to refresh the page. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to hit Command R because I'm on a Mac, and that's going to refresh the page. If you're on a PC, just hit the F5 function key. So you can see now my website title has updated to the cursive Lobster script. My page title has updated to Lobster. My text has updated to Lobster, and the color has changed as well, which is awesome. That's exactly what we were after. Very quickly, let's have a look at my portfolio page. You can see that the default text throughout the site has updated. My navigation hasn't updated because I didn't change it, but that's what I expected there. Very quickly, I'm going to have a look at the About page. Okay, so checking this page, it looks like the color of my text has changed accordingly. However, the font has not updated to this cursive that we would expect. There's a reason for this, and I'm going to show you that now, just in case you come across this. So, moving back again to the admin site. Now, that was the About page that we were looking at, so I'm going to move from this website theme area back to website pages. I'm now going to select the About page. I'm going to select all of this text. I'm going to hit the More button in the menu there. That's going to reveal a second row of menu options here. And this button here, Edit CSS Style. I'm going to click on that. Now what I believe has occurred here is that prior to these new fonts being released, I had manually edited this About page to use the Times New Roman font rather than the default Helvetica that we saw earlier. So that's a change that I made a couple of months ago, and it remains applied to this one page. So I need to clear this by hitting that font drop box, and I'm going to select blank. If you have any other size or color values entered in this section as well, you'll want to delete and clear all of those out. I'm now going to hit apply and update. That looks to have changed. I'm going to scroll down and hit the save button for my About page, once again. Excellent. Now, if I switch back to my live website, my live about page, and I now refresh, again hitting Apple R or F5, you can see that those script changes have now gone through. So the changes that we have here in our admin account on the website theme page are global. However, if you've already applied a local change to a specific website page, then you'll want to go back to that page and just clear out those previous font settings. Great, so that's it. Have a go at customizing those settings yourself, and if you have any trouble, just flick us an email to help@photomerchant.com.